Okay, today we're going to run through a banded stretch sequence. So you're going to grab a resistance band like this. You can also use the resistance bands that have handles on them. I have used a jump rope before. You can use anything that is going to allow you to have some leverage on your legs. So this is a banded stretch sequence. We're going to go through a handful of movements. We're going to do one leg first, and then you'll go through and do the other leg. So each position you'll want to hold for 30 seconds to a minute. I will not hold it for that long today, but when you do it, you will want to hold it for that long. So we're going to start with some ankle mobility. So you're going to pull, give it some resistance, and you're going to slowly push your ankle, your foot out and back in, out and back in. Do that for 30 seconds, 10, 15, 20 reps, somewhere in there. And then you're going to move into some internal and external rotation with the band. Same thing, slow and controlled. You're going to want to do that for 10, 15, 20 reps, about 30 seconds. And then from here, we're just going to give our calf a little stretch. Pull those toes towards you. Stretch out that calf a little bit. Then we'll move on to our hamstring. So you'll lay back. You'll want your left hip and your left leg to stay down on the ground. As you pull your right leg up, try and keep it as straight as you can. Use your opposite hand to give that little cue to stay straight. You can also put it on your hip to give that cue to keep your hip down. So pull as tight as you can to get a good stretch. Hold that for 30 to 60 seconds, and then we're going to move into our adductor. So you're going to drop it out to the side. Make sure you keep that left hip down. That is the hard part with this one. So drop that right leg. For a deeper stretch, you're going to pull harder. After that, we're going to move into our IT band. So we're going to throw it across. Slight rotation in your back. You might feel a little bit of a stretch back here, but the focus is our IT band. Deeper stretch, pull harder. So hold that. And then some people will move into a quad stretch. You can throw your leg behind you and do it like that. That bothers my knees, so I prefer not to do it. You're welcome to if it's comfortable for you. I would rather do different types of quad stretches. So I just move straight into the figure 4. You place your opposite ankle on your knee or your thigh, and then you pull this up with your band. You can use that opposite hand to push this knee out. Pull until you feel a good stretch. Hold it for 30 to 60 seconds. And when you're done, you would move your band over to your other leg and finish the sequence out on the other leg. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes.